Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. $375 into my envelope. So I'm just gonna figure out how that money is gonna go into each envelope and plan that out. So I already figured out my wallet amount. That's getting $170. That's usually the amount that I put in my wallet. So spending will get $30, eating out will get $30. Groceries 80, coffee 20, and buffer 10. So that's 170. I already figured out the breakdown on that one. So that is 205 left to put into all my other envelopes. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some priority envelopes right now. So we're gonna go with, oh, and just so you know, like if you watch my videos, sometimes my priority envelopes change. Right now, well, last week auto was a priority, but I was able to finish a savings challenge, and now I have a decent amount in here that I feel comfortable not having this as a priority at this moment. So auto is not a priority right now, but extra savings still is, because I like to just put money into savings. I just like having this envelope. So this week I'm gonna see if can I do 15? Yeah, we're gonna do 15 in here. And then month ahead is gonna get 15. And then, let's see. Treat yourself is gonna get 15. Only because I'm trying to pay myself back for something I bought. So that'll get 15. All right, now lots of 10s, a lot of 5s will be going into these envelopes. So I'm gonna put 5 in auto. Electronics will get 5. Emergency will get 10. Furniture 5. Rainy day 5. Road trip 5. Scentsy 5. Subscriptions 5. And travel 5. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, because usually I do a roll the dice, and I already wrote the amount right here. I usually try to get that one out of the way since I let the dice choose. I'm doing something new. I have this savings challenge right here that I created and I put on my Patreon as a download. There's 3 different versions of this one. Same look, just different amounts. Like this one's a lower tier one. I have a mid and a high tier for the dollar amounts. And I'm doing this on Patreon with my patrons, and we're gonna see how much we can save this month, just like tracking our progress. So I am rolling over there on Patreon as an exclusive like little video over there, doing the roll, and then putting it on my Patreon. And then I just wrote here how much I rolled. So I rolled 8, so I need to subtract the 8 for that. I did 3 rolls for that one. So that one's done. So yeah, if you want to join, want to be able to get that little challenge and then all these printables, that's on my Patreon. Okay, so I want to get that one out of the way, and then we will come back to these. Yeah, we'll come back to these. I only have 100 left though, so should be fun trying to get all this in here. We'll see what I can do. All right, so Go Wild this week is getting 5. Disneyland is getting 5. Tires is getting 5. I did that one. Fun is getting 5. Hobbies 5. Christmas 5. Holiday decor 5. Okay. Last binder before savings. we got beauty, which is gonna get 5. Clothing, 5. Costco, I'm gonna come back to Costco. Family, 5. Gifts, 5. Home, 5. Household, 5. Nothing in pantry and Target, 5. Okay, I think it should be fine. I'm gonna do 5 in Costco. And then in my savings challenges, I have this one, which is a spring one, and I have the low amount, which is 5. I will do 5. Spring, 5. And then I have this new challenge right here. This is a $10 challenge, so I'm gonna do one. This is a new game, a new cash stash game. So I'll do $10 on this one. 10. And then 100 envelope. I'm just gonna do 5, and my strategy with this one is to do plan for 5 and then take leftover money and then bump it up to a higher amount. I don't think I have filled 5. Like 5 is still empty because that's just been my routine with this, is just to plan for 5 and then just put more money towards it with leftover money. So this will get 5. Okay, I probably won't be able to put anything in the dollar challenge, but that's fine. $5 challenge, which is this one, is gonna get 5. I'm left with $2, and this other challenge I have, the lowest amount is 2. So I'm gonna put that 2 here, and then that's it. Usually I have like $3 left, and I can put it towards the dollar challenge. I'm just gonna have to fill that challenge with leftover money, which I usually have some extra bills left over. So it will get something, just not in my cash plan. And that's fine. I'm fine with that. Okay, so that should be the full amount. I was able to stretch that into all these. I have a lot of envelopes and challenges. So now what I'm going to do is double check my number, make sure this is correct, and then I can move on to figuring out the denominations. My number looks good, so I can figure out the denominations. So first up is I'm going to have a ton of 5s, and then a 10, 15, 5, 15, and then here I have a bunch of 5s here. I mean, I don't mind this because it's a lot easier to do this part since there's like the same thing over and over again. 15, and then a bunch of 5s here to this spot. Makes it easy. Then 10, 2 for cash dash 2, and then I have 8 for Hello Spring, so that's 1 and 3, and then $5 for the spring, and then $5 for the $5 challenge. All right, now I'm going to count the denominations. So I have 150, 3 20s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 10s, 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 5s. And then 1s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now I'm going to multiply these two numbers and then add it all together. So 50 times 1 is 50, 20 times 3 is 60, 10 times 10 is 100, 5 times 31 is 155, and then 10. Okay, and add them together and make sure I got 375. 50, 60, 100, 155, and 10. 375. Perfect. All right, now I need another sticky note. And I'm going to write down all these amounts and then go to the bank and get this money. So for 50s, I need 1. For 20s, I need 3. That's $60. 10s, I need 10. That's 100. And then 5s, 31 5s. That's 155. And then 10s, I need 10. That's $10. A total of $375. All right, so that is it. That is my cash plan for the week. I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you want to join on that challenge and get a printout of that challenge, join my Patreon. It's over there, and then we can track our progress together just with that roll the dice challenge. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.